Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to hard reset your OPPO A31. This operation can be helpful if it doesn't remember the password to your phone or just software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn off our phone. Something like that. And now there is a two button here, volume up and volume down. So we're gonna click on volume down here, press and hold, and power button. So keep pressing this both key. Now release power button when you see the logo, still holding volume down. Keep holding until you see the language screen. Release all the button. Accept by power on English. Now go down to wipe data. Accept by power. This is the verification code. In my case is 2431. In your case can be different, but they will be written above it. And then wipe data, format data. So we're gonna format data, accept by power. Okay. Now the phone will resetting and removing all the PIN and password from your phone. Be sure to delete the Google account before this operation and be sure that you lost all of your data from your phone. Okay, all done. Now go to reboot and the phone will gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password and backup on the phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!